how to crochet a 4 double crochet shell. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. This completes 1 double crochet. Repeat this process 3 more times into the same stitch. So, now you know how to crochet a 4 double crochet shell.